Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. Now, if there was any doubt as to who runs the Red Stripe Premier League, then that will be cleared up soon following a mandate by CONCACAF to the Jamaica Football Federation. Denise Walters explains.
3 weeks ago, Cavaliers' CEO Rudolph Speed had called for an end to the Premier League Clubs Association PLCA and the Professional Football Association of Jamaica PFAJ, as he didn't think it required the two associations to run the Premier League.
I believe that the time has come for you only to have one organization with one set of expenses. Then the club will get more money. What the PLCA was started out as, it's not really fulfilling its mandate. The PFAJ has also failed miserably to fulfill its mandate because a lot of the times you don't know who is in charge of the league, which one of the organization, based on what is happening.
Well, his call hasn't fell on deaf ears, as CONCACAF has since mandated the JFF to either scrap one of the associations or merge the two, as both cannot continue with the operations of the Premier League.
CONCACAF has said the cleaner approach to managing football in Jamaica is to have one organization that's responsible for the running of the football. That's part of the roadmap which they have given to us, that we have to walk down the path like a highway. We have to go along that pathway to where CONCACAF wants us to.
And that's not the only directive given by CONCACAF to the JFF.
One of the requirements is better facilities generally, playing fields, clubhouses. Another of their requirements is ensuring that our accounts are up to date so we can see exactly what's happening with money. That is, so that's an important requirement, and we in the football environment have been lax in that regard. So they have mandated that the accounts must be brought up to date. They can see the accounts and see what's going on with football.
The full detail can be aired tonight on Center Circle at 9. Denise Walters for TVJ Sports.